Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about BPM, that is called as Business Process Modeling. Business Process Modeling, or BPM, is the practice of visually mapping how a business workflow operates from beginning to end. The purpose is to understand the process clearly, identify how work is being done, detect the gaps or inefficiencies, and find opportunities to optimize. BPM helps teams standardize processes and communicate them effectively across business and IT stakeholders. BPM is used in several areas across a project life cycle. During requirement gatherings, diagram help visualize the current and expected processes. In process improvement, BPM support as is or to be analysis. It is also used for automation planning where we evaluate which steps can be automated. Additionally, BPM is useful for training documentation and conducting gap analysis by comparing the current state with the desired future state. A flowchart is one of the simplest form of business process modeling. It is visually shows a step-by-step sequence of actions in processing using symbols such as rectangles for action, diamonds for decisions, and arrows for the flow direction. Flowcharts are ideal for representing simple business procedures, operational workflows, or logic-based decisions. Business process model and notations is the widely used adopted notation for business process modeling. It provides a standardized method for depicting business workflows using elements like events, tasks, getaways, connectors, and swim lanes. BPPN helps distinguish use responsibilities across departments and shows the sequence and message flow between different steps. It is powerful for modeling end-to-end business processes in a clear industry standard format. An activity diagram is a type of UML diagram used when we want to represent the flow of activities in system. It is similar to flowchart but typically used in system design or system-based processes. Activity diagram shows decision, parallel flows, and interactions between users and system. They help bridge business requirements with technical implementation. As is versus to be models. As is modeling represents the current state of a process exactly as it exists today, including all inefficiencies, manual steps, and delays. To be model represents a future improved process that the business wants to achieve. Comparing as is and to be diagrams allows business analysts to identify gaps, propose improvements, eliminate redundant steps, and plan automation or digital transformation initiatives. Let's see an example. It shows a simple real world example of business process. In an online food ordering workflow, the customer places the order, the system validates his payment is processed, the restaurant prepares the food, and finally, the delivery partner delivers it to the customer. Such examples help stakeholders visualize a full end to end process and understands all the steps that are involved. BPM provides many benefits to businesses. It brings clarity by visualizing, explaining how task flows. It helps identify inefficiencies, bottlenecks, or duplicate the effort. BPM also enables automation by showing which steps can be streamlined. Additionally, well documented processes reduce errors, help train new employees, and promote consistency across operations. To conclude, business process modeling is a vital skill for business analysts. It enables teams to understand process clearly, improve them effectively, and ensure alignment between business goals and IT implementation. Effective BPM helps organizations operate more efficiently and move toward automation and digital transformations. Thanks for watching this video.